In this video, I will show you how to calculate the years between two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to calculate the years between these dates. To do that, I am going to use the YEARFRAC function. The YEARFRAC function returns the fraction of the years between two dates. This function accepts three arguments: a start date, an end date, and a third optional basis argument. The fraction of the years is calculated based on the number of whole days between two dates. For example, this YEARFRAC formula will return 1 because the difference between these two dates in years is 1. While this YEARFRAC formula will return 1.5 as the year difference because these two dates are 1.5 years apart from each other. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula to calculate the year difference. Now type YEARFRAC followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the start date as the first argument. Type a comma and then select the cell containing the end date as the second argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the years between two dates. Sometimes we want to get the nearest integer year number instead of getting the fractional year value. For example, in this Excel sheet, I want to get 1 year instead of 1.17 years for these dates and 2 years instead of 1.91 years for these dates. To do that, we can use the round function. The round function rounds the specified number to a given number of digits. This function accepts two arguments: the number we want to round and the number of digits. Let's modify the formula to round the fractional years using the round function. Here I have specified the output of the YEARFRAC function as the first argument of the round function. I have specified 0 as the second argument of the round function because we want the year as the nearest integer number without any decimal places. As you can see, we now have the number of years as the nearest integer between two dates. Instead of the fractional years, sometimes we want to have only whole years between two dates. For example, in this Excel sheet, I want 1 as the year difference for these dates. To do that, we can use the int function. The int function returns an integer by removing the decimal part from the specified number. This function accepts only one argument, which is the number we want to convert to an integer. Let's modify the formula to calculate the whole years between two dates. As you can see, we now have the whole years between two dates. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.